Hey everybody, and welcome back. My name is Sue and I am from OML Embroidery. And today I'm going to show you guys how to precision place a design above, around, or on a pocket. Now obviously if you're going to stitch on the pocket you're going to be closing it, but that's okay. I'm going to show you guys how it's done. So let's get started. Now I am on my single needle machine, and today the big deal is the cameras. I want to see more people using their cameras on their machine. I have a camera on McDreamy, and I also have a camera on my multi-needle, and I'm hearing that people aren't using them enough. So you should, and I'm going to show you guys on McDreamy how exactly to do it. Now, the first thing we're going to do is create something to put above the pocket, for example. So let's just do lettering. I could go through all the pretty designs and everything, but just for time, let's just pick something simple, and we're going to put O-M-L. And we're going to see if that size is going to work. Now, if this happens to you, this was what I scanned yesterday. And all you have to do is go in and delete it. It's on one of the pages right there. Background image display, and all you have to do is delete. Okay. And now when you're back, it's not there. So that's fantastic. We are going to have to make this a little bit smaller. So I'm going to do that right now. So we'll do it in medium. And maybe I'm going to change the color so you guys could perhaps see it a little better. So we want something really, really bright, like bright yellow or bright orange. How about orange? That'll look good. That should show up really clearly on what we're doing it on. So you can print out a template and you can use snowman stickers, or you can mark it. You can do anything like that. This is just simply another way. And if you don't have a camera on your machine, don't worry, you can still accomplish the same thing. So let's go into embroidery mode, and we just have the OML there. And we're going to press up here the camera, right above. We are going to press the camera icon right here. So let's do that. And it says at the bottom, the frame will move to be scanned with the built-in camera. So just make sure you have everything hooped properly. And I'm using a t-shirt with cutaway on the back. So let's let it scan. It doesn't take long. Make sure the shirt is completely out of the way and it's recognizing, and there we go. And that is the shirt. Isn't that amazing? Now let me see if I can make that a bit bigger for us. All right, hopefully you guys can see that very clearly. So this here is the shirt and the pocket, and you can see it's navy blue in the background, and you can see the design. So if you wanted to, place it in certain places, it's really easy to do. So let's go to move, and we're going to just move it up. Look how it goes. And you can precision place it right above it. Now, if that looks a little crooked to you, it looks a little crooked to me too. So we can go into edit, and we can go into rotate, and we can do 1%, 1 degree rotation. And then it goes with the shirt perfectly. Let's go to edit and move it up a little bit. Isn't that easy to do? Isn't that amazing? So you could do this with fabric. You could do this with jeans to precision place things. You can use it, and you should be using it all the time. This is fantastic. To me, this is the best part about McDreamy. It scans it, and it looks fantastic. You could get really precise with it. Let's put this down here. Whoops, a little bit more. Sorry about all the beeping. And wouldn't that be cool to do it that way? That's amazing. To me, that's amazing that you can precision place it. You could even do 3 lines, or if you have fabric, different kinds of fabric. Or the best part of this is if you make a mistake somehow and you need to go back, you can just re-hoop it and scan, and you can continue on where you left. So I encourage everyone to use the cameras that you have on your machines, and use them a lot, because it is really handy. I do actually use this all the time for precision placement. It is even better than the snowman stickers, and I love the snowman stickers. They are fantastic. So hopefully you guys will get up the nerve and use your cameras in your machines and make your life a whole lot easier. Again, I think it's absolutely fantastic, and if you're not using them, you should, because you can get so precise. So thanks everyone for watching. I hope you guys like this video. I hope you guys will use your cameras. Thanks everyone for watching, and I'll see you guys in the next video.